I'm okay. I'm fine. Kincana. Kincana. Teng neng 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 neng. Ku menahan rasa sakit. Rasa sakit.
Few moments later.
Hello everyone, good morning. Okay, I will read the result of the contribution of students' linguistic intelligence towards reading comprehension. After analyzing some qualified journal as the data of this research, the researcher found some results as follows. Fries, Mugiono et al. 7 found that there was significant correlation between linguistic intelligence and the student's academic achievements. It was proven by the result of the correlation confusion which means there was a quite strong relation between students' linguistic intelligence and academic achievements. The participants of this study was English Education Department students. It also found that linguistic intelligence gave strong efforts on students' English skill, including reading comprehension. It can be seen from the data that linguistic intelligence gave 4-5 efforts on academic achievement. Moreover, the writers also found the emotional intelligence showed a weak effort on the students' achievements rather than linguistic intelligence. It can be said the linguistic intelligence gave significant contribution towards student achievements in English, including reading comprehension. Actually, many students also indicated they some results of this study, specifically in reading comprehension. In other words, the student linguistic intelligence more gave contribution towards student academic achievements than emotional intelligence. Second, Rahimi et al. Reported that linguistic intelligence became a strong predictor of students' reading comprehension. The participants of this study was Iranian students who took English major. Practically speaking, it also notes that linguistic intelligence was related with the student cognition, which was involved in their successful in reading comprehension. It also found that linguistic intelligence predicted the students' reading performance because intelligence and cognition are part of comprehension. It means that linguistic intelligence is very essential in language learning because it is involved in reading activity. As it was discussed above, it is important for the teacher to make the classroom activity that is more involved the students' linguistic intelligence intelligence so that they can improve their ability in using language. There, the study that was conducted by Dewi showed the linguistic intelligence gave positive influence on students' reading comprehension. Besides, the participants of this study was Indonesian student at Madrasah Pembangunan, Jakarta. From this study, it claimed that the student who had good linguistic intelligence tended to have a good reading comprehension. Because English like a variable of linguistic intelligence give contribution in improving the student reading comprehension's ability. It was related with the previous study that linguistic intelligence become one of the factors that can predict the student successful in learning because it involved the student's cognitive process. In addition, it also found some indicators of student linguistic intelligence in reading activity. First, the student loved the read. Second, the student often spoke what they had read. Third, they were good at spelling partners. Next, they liked playing words, games, and poems. Then the student can keep their book collection. Also, they can remember general knowledge, quotes, and words easily. Next, they can explain and interpreting what they have read easily. Less, the student had good knowledge about language use by set one two indicators. It can be said that the student who have dominant linguistic intelligence have tendency to have good reading comprehension. In other words, by having a good linguistic intelligence, it can increase the student ability in reading because they understand what they have read easily. Practically speaking, the student and the teacher should be aware about linguistic intelligence thus they can change their learning habit and learning style that is appropriate with their intelligence so that their linguistic advances in social science, education, and humanities research